Racing Jesse started. We have phenomenal break, quickly to start. Running by the really smiling lady Don Maria, rushing about the outside is skyrocketing to take the lead, and going along for the first turn where is skyrocketing. Don Mariano, smiling ladies running by the rail, then followed by Phenomenal. Moving up on the outside is the Centurion, then followed by Manlot Island. Kentucky Rain comes next, then followed by Princess Alessi alongside. Now is Coastal Road, then next in line is Bullish Desire. Back to the leader. Two runners now matching their strides together. Running by the rail is skyrocketing. Don Mariano is on the outside, then 3 lengths further back in third. Now is Phenomenal. The smiling lady comes next. The Centurion comes next. Coastal Road down on the inside is Princess Alessi. Last 400 meters of the race where is skyrocketing, enjoying a length and a half lead. Moving up is Phenomenal. Don Mariano is down in third, and then entering the home stretch where is skyrocketing, this time by about 3 lengths. Phenomenal in second, down on the inside third is Don Mariano. Last 75 meters where is skyrocketing, followed by Phenomenal, and finally skyrocketing. Phenomenal, Kentucky Rain, then comes Princess Alessi, the Centurion, Don Mariano.
For our race number 7, our unofficial winner, entry number 11, skyrocketing. And then 7, no? Phenomenal, 12, Coastal Road, or Kentucky Rain, entry number 13. 11, 7, 13, unofficial pacing. Panoorin muna natin, replay.